Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to be discussing freelancing for beginners in 2024, and it's going to be an essential tips to kickstart your freelance career. Now we're going to be discussing 4 steps in order to help you kickstart your freelance career. Now, step number 1 here is defining your niche. You need to define your niche. What is your niche? Your niche is simply an environment where your skill thrives, where you have a market for your product or for your service. You need, before you start a freelance career, you need to identify your niche. You need to know where you're going to sell. You need to know who you are going to sell for. Who are your potential customers? Who is going to buy from you? What is your target audience? What is the age range of the people that are going to buy from you? What are their sex? What do they do for a living? You need to have all this information in check, so you don't come and crash in the process of trying to get customers, because I can't lie to you, it's not easy. Without knowing all this information, it's like you're jumping into a well and you don't know the depth of the well. But if you have an idea or a clue of what the depth is, which is the niche now, you can be able to know where to go, where not to go, what to do. You can be able to know the right strategy to apply, the wrong strategies to avoid, the right things to do, the wrong things to do. It's going to help you. It's going to give you this boost. It's going to give you this boost in your freelance journey. Now, step 2 is identifying your unique talents. What are your unique talents? What are you best at doing? Basically, it's your passion that drives everything. You get paid for what you can do best. The services you can be able to offer to others is what they can exchange monetary value back at you. Now, what services can you get paid for offering? What are you best at? If you are the best website designer, I bet you more than 10 people are looking for who to design their websites today. I think today is the 17th. More than 10 people. Like 10 is a rough number now. I'm talking about more than 200 clients will be looking for you to design their websites. Now calculate how much you can charge them, how much you're going to get at the end of the day, and what service can you be paid for that you can offer best. You need to know that. You don't need to be doing what everybody is doing. One thing I found out is that people are doing what everybody else is doing these days, and I'm not here to talk about that. We're just going to go straight into step 3. Now, step 3 is building your online presence. You need to craft a good portfolio for yourself. You can use Behance, you can use Instagram, you can use social media platforms to build a portfolio. You need to show your working. It's not about opening your mouth to tell somebody, yes, I can do this, I can do that. You need to show them what you have done. Very, very important. That is the meaning of a portfolio. Build a portfolio for yourself. And that's step number 3. And step number 4 is networking. You need to network. You need to find and follow other freelancers and try to incorporate their strategies into your plan. Yes, I'm not saying copy and paste. I'm saying copy and improve, copy and innovate. Yes, to see what works for them, see what doesn't work for them, try to avoid what works for them, and also try to avoid what doesn't work for them, and see how you can make what they are doing better. That way you're upscaling your strategy. Now, also find freelance platforms and begin to bid for jobs. We have freelance platforms, we have Upwork, we have Freelancer, there are so many freelance platforms out there. In fact, I'm going to do a new video about freelance platforms that work in 2024. I will need you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so that once I drop that video, you're going to get notified to come and watch. Now, you need to find freelance platforms and begin bidding for jobs. And when you do any job, ask for referrals, ask for reviews, ask them how they feel about these jobs, ask them to review your work, ask them to refer you to others, and that's how you can upskill. And I promise you, if you follow these 4 steps judiciously, your freelance career in 2024 is going to be a success. In less than 1 year, you're going to record so much results than you've ever had. Now, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and before I leave, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel where we drop more tech tips, There is so much to offer on this channel, so please, I want you to subscribe. And we're trying to move this channel to 1k subscribers in 1 month, and so I would like you to be part of this success journey. So please, as this video is ending, I'd like you to like this video. If possible, you can share it to somebody that needs it, and please subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.